Alright, back out in the shop. Decided that we needed one more project to take on, and that last minute, right before when summer starts, that there's no better time to put a 5.9 24 valve Cummins into Micah's orange and white jet boat. So,
because we can.
Because we can, and roll coal, why not? So, some of the things we need to do, that we need to go ahead and knock out, or we got to make plates to block off here, here, and here. Water in will be here, water out will be there.
Originally, that was a water pump, so we're just blocking that.
So, alternator will reuse the original bracket, but relocate the alternator down to feed there. Turbo will just feed from here. Intercooler, some type of intercooler, over to here. Big stack, black smoke everywhere.
Roll coal.
Roll coal. So, fabricate motor plates on the front, motor plate rear, PTO adapter to drive shaft, and then have to modify the oil pan. We've given ourselves, what, a month and a half now? Less than that, for less than 45 days?
60 days.
60 days.
60-day build time. That's my deadline.
Yeah, so.
My personal.
And if we can't have this in the boat, on the lake, throwing rooster tails while rolling coal in 60 days, then we'll go back with the big block. But this is a guarantee right now. This will be on the lake in less than 60 days.
We're Americans.
Not Americans. So this is going to be a fun build. Y'all stay tuned and watch it. Alright, so we got one ear made and bolted on. Still got to trim it down. These lines we got going here is just kind of the idea that we're coming up with as far as motor plates. So
we're going to cut initially corner off, and then we're going to come in and chamfer the edges to neaten it up. Then we're going to motor bolt, motor plate bolt.
So do that there. Duplicate the same thing here. Clearance everything for around the computer. And then once that's done, we can start making the plate that goes from, let's say, down here, up, underneath here, connect to that one, and go across.
So the general idea is, this is off of our big block 4 that we have that's actually out of the boat that this is going in. So this is roughly what we're going to end up with. It's just going to be, obviously it's going to be wider and spread out more.
Yeah, so, and a thicker version of that. So now that we got that done, finish duplicating that one over here, clean it up, and then we can get to making that part. Alright, so got plates on both sides done now, and good boy. Now we start with the cardboard template that we started with. Mocked off of that, made some changes up. So now you can use the cardboard or poster board here, and as you see, we're getting an idea on where it's going to go, anything you need to change. So good thing about using poster board for making templates is, one, it's a lot cheaper than metal, and you just cut off some more, tape it on, or cut some more off, and then once you get everything where you want it, you can then transfer that to a piece of metal and cut it out. And it's a lot easier to cut this than it is to cut the metal. So start designing that up, get it on some steel or aluminum, and we'll have a front motor plate. Alright, I've been over here hammering away getting my boat trailer ready, and Micah has about got some motor plates ready, or some templates ready, so we can get this thing in. So got front designed over here. As you can see, it goes stringer to stringer, one solid piece, keeps everything strong and sturdy. He made a template on the back, same thing, one solid piece. Gonna add a little bit here, a little bit there, so we have some more strength. But overall, we got some templates made for motor plates. So, and come up with a better idea for the alternator. Actually, now that we've got this design and there's room, could mount the alternator here, run a lower belt, cleaner look, you don't have something gaudy sticking all the way up here. So one step at a time. It's a small step, but it's also a huge step, because now we can transfer it to wood, make sure it fits in the boat. From there, transfer it to aluminum, put it in the boat, and be ready to rock and roll. We'll get everything wired up, but major portion of designing the motor plates, that part's been knocked out. So, see, he wants to set the alternator up there?
No.
Okay. We'll save that for later. So, thank y'all for watching this one. Y'all stay tuned, because this is going to get wicked. It's going to be fun. Catch y'all next time.